Rashmi Gupta. I study in grade 3I. Today I will discuss some properties of air. I have a bottle with no base. I have attached a glove here and now I am dipping it in water. See, glove inflates. It's saying hello to everyone. See, so much water is there. Water went inside the bottle and air went into the glove. So, air occupies space. I have a bottle with attached balloon. Now I am dipping into the hot water. Wait for some time. And see the magic. Balloon inflates. So, air expands on heating. Now I am dipping into the cold water. When it cools down, the balloon deflates. So, air contracts on cooling. Let us see another example. I have a balloon of this size. See, it's passing through easily. I am dipping into the hot water. And see, balloon expands. And it's not passing through. I'm dipping into the cold water and see balloon contracts and now it's passing easily. Air contracts on cooling. We have seen three things today. First, air occupies space. Second, air expands on heating. And third, air contracts on cooling. Thank you.